Today I'm going to be finishing up the card that I started but lost footage for. So here's my original card, and here is what I've got done so far on the front. I am using this really pretty set dies from Echo Park. God is Love and the Cross. I use some purple ribbon here, and then I slowly and meticulously put these pieces on. Love is one word, but God and Is are separate. So I put this piece on first, and then I started backwards to make sure I got the spacing better, and then I did the Is. Then I just used my Stamps of Life set for Happy Easter, and I put purple behind it. Yellow and purple are complementary colors. And then I'm going to be using this lily, and in light purple I'm going to stamp, and it's going to be behind my sentiment. Gina K Design. This is Lovely Lavender. I'm not going to stamp off. This is light enough that I think it'll be fine. I think this set is from Stampendous. The lilies. There we go. How pretty is that? Now I'm going to use Elegant Eggplant. Goes right over the top. Beautiful. I do have a little smudge right there. I'll probably cover that up with an enamel dot or something. This piece of pattern paper that I'm using is from the New Day collection from Echo Park. So now that we have this done, I'm going to just attach this. And voila, there is my Easter card made with the Echo Park paper, New Day, as well as this wonderful die set. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful Easter. Bye-bye.